All right, we're back in our list and we're on our default view. We've got everybody, Canada, Brazil, everything. Now, it may be useful at times to be able to take this data and export it into Excel. And I know you're saying, well, wait a minute, Bill, well, didn't we just import this entire list from Excel? Yeah, but let's say that we want to drill down. We want to filter, sort, get this list to a smaller, maybe we're trying to identify people who live in Quebec or people who live in Montreal or people who live Smiths Falls, I see sitting there. Whatever it is, and we want to have that sent to Excel. Maybe we want to print it. Maybe it's something that we need to put somewhere else. But whatever the reason we need to get this list back into Excel, we don't have to export the whole list. We can export these different views. And that's actually pretty helpful too. But we could export the entire list. Let's go ahead and let me show you a couple of things though that you need to be aware of. All right, I'm going to go ahead. Let's drill down. Let's go ahead. Let's choose Brazil this time. And let's say we're going to narrow this down to Rio de Janeiro. And the cities, let's see what we've got. Rio de Janeiro proper. All right, let's just say that. So we've got this. And just because we want it to look nice, we'll sort it alphabetically. Okay. So it's a pretty small list. We've narrowed this list down from over 1,000 rows to, I don't know, maybe there's 20 here, something like that. So you've got this view and you say you want to export it to Excel. You want to get this list. You like this list. Whatever it is, this is the list you want. You need this in Excel. What do? We go up to our list menu and look at that. Big as life. Export to Excel. Well, that seems pretty easy, doesn't it? All right, let's go ahead and see what happens. We're going to click there. Do you want to open it or save it? We're going to open it so we can see what's happening. And choose open. Give it a minute. And it's going to give us a warning. These connections have been blocked because it could be a potential security concern, but we know we're fine, so we're going to enable that. And it's going to start bringing that data in. And hey, wait a minute. This is everything. What happened to my sorted and filtered list? It didn't work. That's what you need to be aware of. It doesn't work, but let me tell you why. Let's not save it. It doesn't work because this is not a saved view. If we went ahead and saved this as a view up here, we could export it. Let me show you. We're going to go here and do our fall promo in Canada, and we're going to now export this because this is a saved view. Now when we go ahead and export that, let's open it up. We'll enable it. See that? That worked that time, didn't it? There's everybody from Quebec. So if you save it as a view, you can export that list just the way you have it here in SharePoint into Excel. If you just modify it, if you're just playing around in here with the filters and the sorting, it's not going to export. It's going to export that entire view. Just something I wanted you to be aware of. But you see how simple it is to export, and once you get that view the way you want it, as long as you save it, you're okay. And that's it for sorting and filtering a view.